Hi, welcome to Pictures, Noise and Words. I'm Hedgy.
And I'm Paz.
And this is, if I'm saying it right, Izegrim. Well, it could be Izegrim. I'm not sure. Song called Relic of the Past. What should we call them for the sake of this? Izegrim should we go with, and I need to just click a button, so just ignore me for a second. There we go. You don't need to know what I was clicking, it's not important.
Izegrim.
Izegrim.
Let's go with that.
I'll go with Izegrim. Izegrim are from the Netherlands, and this song is quite an old song. It's from 2013, but this is the song that was requested by Keola Q, who is a very regular commenter on my channel. He comments all in capital letters. I suspect he's hitting the keyboard like this while he's doing it.
Or shouting.
He's shouting on my comments all in capitals all of the time. I think his caps lock's broken on his keyboard. That's the only reason I can think of. But he's asked me for this, so why not? Though this is from 2013, we have looked them up, and they are still going. They're still touring. They've got tour dates into next year, and they have newer songs than this available. But he asked, I say he, I don't actually know if Keola Q is a he, but Keola Q asked specifically for Relic of the Past. So here we are.
Okay.
Fan service.
Apparently, in this one, there's no scripts, no cheesy choreography, no old deserted factory hall. It's just Izegrim in its natural habitat on stage, supported by our loyal fans. Thanks for the support. You rule. We rule if we like this, which is great.
Okay. I had a feeling I did anyway.
No, you don't.
No? Not even from up in my space station. With my geostationary missile platform that nobody knows about. Ooh. Anyway. Yeah, I'm quite fond of videos in old deserted factory halls, to be honest. But if they're not going to do one, that's okay. I can live with that. Especially if they've got a bit of fire going somewhere and lots of smoke blowing across.
Just hit play.
Just play the damn video, is that what you're going to say? So here we go. Not seen it, don't know what we're getting, as usual. That is a proper black metal voice, that is.
Why isn't she singing without telling me right now? That's what I want to know.
Yeah,
it's not fair.
The thing is, but then this is a different band, so you're not expecting Arch Enemy. So you're like, if you stuck her in Arch Enemy, would you just go, "It's not Arch Enemy, though, is it?" You know, I don't know.
I see a bit of Angela in her. The stuff.
Yeah, so what
the energy there.
Black metal. I mean, this video is alive, and then they've overdubbed it with the studio version, and I don't blame them in the slightest. But wow, that's.
Tell you what it reminds me of.
Okay.
Remember Mortad?
Vaguely. That's a long time ago.
Yeah. I think they did one album, but
like 2008 or 7 or something.
They just had this huge bucket of really cool riffs, and this is very similar. Really good riffs, good bit of growling. Yeah.
Her voice is I don't know. It's like she's been gargling gravel for 12 months to get a voice like that.
Praise of insanity.
Enjoyed that ride out, and I think it's time to get out the book.
The book.
Paz's book.
It's gone to the book. You can't accuse them of going for the MTV play, can you?
I love that nice little ride out there at the end. It's really good.
What kind of a voice is that?
that was awesome.
Oh,
great
that
riffs,
was something else.
great riffs in there. Really loud, in your face production as well. That's really cool ideas in that. You have to check them out when I get back down to
Her name's Marlowe's.
Yeah, that was kind of visceral edge to her voice.
Telling me, you know, take her home to meet your mum. Hi Mum, this is Marlowe's. She sings in a band. Oh, that's nice. Is it like the Carpenters? Yes, it's very, very much like the Carpenters. Yes. I'm just, I think, a bit surprised. I mean, you know, you hear this sort of thing all of the time, but she just had an edge to her voice that took it that little bit further in the kind of. She had a kind of a brutal black metal voice. I think
there's a bit more bass there
Yeah, maybe
a bit
that's
more
what it
guttural
is. Yeah.
than
Yeah.
for example.
And no offense to the rest of the band, because it's very easy to focus on the lady front person with blonde hair and an interesting voice. I mean, well done everyone else. That was like the whole thing hung together really well. Been going for a while, though, haven't they? I mean, this is 2013.
So yeah, I thought the music was a winner as well. So good riffs, good structure of the song as well. Didn't really hang around on the one idea for too long before they switched it. Nice few little solos as well in guitar. And again, where did he get his drummers from? The thing is, when you see music like this, it's not easy to play. That's the thing.
Nope.
These people have been practicing for years.
Oh yeah,
to do that,
and then go on stage and play for an hour and a half.
Like that.
Like that, probably.
Yeah, and
I don't think there's a lot of ballads. I'm just guessing.
It's just it's a shame that it's left, in clubs like that, and it won't get any further than that.
Yeah, how big's this video? 40,000 views. But that's since 2013. Yeah, I don't know how popular they are. They're a new one on me. Not a band that I know.
I'll be checking them out. They're in the book. I'll be checking them out when I get down to it.
Describe themselves as Dutch death thrash ragers. I can agree with that now.
Yeah, sums it up.
I can agree with that.
But I think if you like your death metal, I think there's a lot in there for you to.
Yeah, I can see
like
if you like Arch Enemy, I can see how you could easily cross over to that. It's a bit more in the ravenous.
It reminds me of Arch Enemy before Angela joined.
Right, okay.
I think it's the brutality of the music before they went into pop choruses. Say that. Let's not do that again.
Yeah, wow, Keola Q. That one was a surprise. I've been it's been the last few videos has been constant surprises, so that's the great thing, I suppose. Thanks very much.
Cool.
Let us know what you think.
Yeah, it was good.
See you soon, guys and girls. Bye bye.
See you now.